Introducing Hamilton Beach Stay-or-Go Blender. Hamilton Beach is America's #1 brand in small kitchen appliances and approved by chefs all over the world. Hamilton Beach Stay-or-Go Blender is your perfect kitchen companion. This blender comes with 3 jars and 3 special-purpose lids. 1-liter family-size extra-large jar enables you to blend for your entire family in one go. It comes with a specially designed lid to add ingredients while the blender is in use. The 500 milliliter Stay-or-Go personal jar is perfect for your daily needs. It comes with the on-the-go sipper lid for your workout and travel needs. The 250 milliliter small grinding or chutney jar comes with sprinkler cum storage lid. This blender has a 250 watt to 650 watt intelligent motor which determines the load or ingredients in the jar and delivers just the right amount of power to give you perfect results. It also comes with laser-cut, super sharp universal stainless steel blade ideal for all types of blending and grinding, and is also powerful enough to crush ice in seconds. This blender is perfectly suited for the Indian kitchen needs and gives perfect results for all types of blending, be it smoothies, milkshakes, batters for idli, dosa, or pancake. It is ideal for making all kinds of chutneys, dips, or salsa. Not only that, you can even grind your coffee beans, masalas in seconds. This blender is easy to use with pulse function to alter the texture of your ingredients in order to achieve that perfect result. Hamilton Beach Stay-or-Go Blender is the most versatile and powerful blender for you, your family, and friends.